Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys very simple tips on CapCut PC how to insert your effects, but not on your whole timeline. For instance, I will add this effect on this particular clip. I mean, this static image, obviously. So if you have many clips and then you want to insert the effects only on particular clip or footage or image, here how to do it. So first you go to the effect tabs and then find the effect that you want. For instance, I want to this effect. Okay, no, I think better this one, mini zoom effect. So instead of click plus on here, which is if we put plus, the whole timeline will be effect like that. So instead of just click plus, you just drag and drop the mini zoom effect into the footage or the clip you want to make the effect work on that, occur on that. So for instance, I will take this effect into the robo. Okay, now the robo already have the effect. See, only the robo have the effect instead of this tank. Okay, and then also you can edit the effect by right click on it and then click this edit effects, and then you can like the speed, like the range, like the any preset setting of your effect. Also you can mask it. For instance, I want to the beat only on his chest, so I just click add mask, and then I just find the like this. I just want to make his heart beating. Okay, that's it. And then I will play it. See, only his heart beating. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.